Hi, this is Rich from A1 Foundation Crack Repair. I'm here with my friend Peter Marshall from Marshall Insurance. And a question that comes up here and there is in reference to trees. Tree roots cause problems with foundations, and we know that's not covered. You had mentioned in an earlier segment. What about tree roots that go into sewer pipes outside? Is that covered?
Very good question, very timely question. So the standard homeowners policy, it wouldn't be covered. Tree roots growing through service lines of any kind in your yard and the excavation costs and repair costs associated with that would not be covered. Now, more and more insurance companies are offering what's called service line coverage, and it's relatively inexpensive, typically under $100 per year.
It's pretty good.
Yeah, and those costs associated with if the tree roots grow through the sewer line, the excavation, the landscaping, once the repairs are made, the cost of the repairs, all of that is covered for relatively short money.
One thing I recently found out in reference to this is that there is a service where you don't have to dig up the line. They can actually reline that existing sewer pipe, and it will save your landscaping and save some money too. So consider that also. This is Rich from A1 Foundation Crack Repair. I'm with Peter Marshall. If you have any insurance problems or questions, get a hold of Peter from Marshall Insurance. Foundation issues, talk to the Crackman from A1 Foundation Crack Repair. Thank you.